Hi guys, welcome to Transform. In the previous series of chair restoration, I created a Zen corner with the bottom of the chair and an antique mirror with the back of the same chair. In this video, I'll show you how to create a reading nook and an accent table decor and different ways of restoring an old chair and a table. This is the bottom of the second chair. I painted it and placed an old cupboard shutter on the top. After that, a tablecloth was placed over it. Now keep two chairs on both sides of the table. Then I placed some books, flower vase, a decorative piece over it. You can also decorate it with anything you like of your own choice. This way you can create a reading nook. This is also an old chair but in a better condition than those ones. So I thought of painting it and using it as an accent table with its decorative back. Then I repeated the same procedure and placed a Sai Baba idol on it. Here I used a minimalistic approach and placed only a single idol on the top so as to accentuate the beautiful back of the chair. This is one way of restoring an old chair. There are many different ways of restoring old furniture. Let's see what are these. First one of course is to get the same look as it was before. You can also keep a cushion on the seat like this. These days, many designer cushions are also available in the market. You can tie them with the back of the chair. You can also get it upholstered from a carpenter with the fabric of your own choice. You can experiment with different colors, prints and textures which are available in the market these days. One of the options of table restoration is to paint it in different colors and shades. Tabletop can also be decoupaged with legs painted. One of the very beautiful options is to add mosaic pattern on top of the table and the other one is to add the resin art. But both of these are skillful jobs and require safety measures. Textured and multicolored tabletops can also be created with different mediums. There are many more ways of restoring them. You just need to scratch your head. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys are liking it. Please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon. Till we meet again, keep creating and keep upcycling. Bye bye.